For today's video, we're gonna be reviewing Oz Naturals Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum. I've been using this hyaluronic acid for about 5 months. Maybe you're thinking of buying hyaluronic acid, but you don't know much about it. I'm gonna tell you all my experience. If you wanna see my review, keep on watching. This hyaluronic acid, it has vitamin C, vitamin E, rose hips, green tea, and hyaluronic acid, which is 50% of the product. That's what in the website it says. And then I read that also the vitamin C percentage is 20. The purpose of hyaluronic acid, it is to plump and hydrate dull and dry skin. Pretty much use hyaluronic acid to treat fine lines and wrinkles and dehydrated skin. And it's gonna help you to hold that water, to hold that moisture throughout the day. The directions for use says you have to cleanse, put your toner, apply the serum, and then the moisturizer. It is really important to follow right away with the moisturizer. I know that when you apply the toner, apply the hyaluronic acid right away when your skin is damp, it helps a lot your skin to absorb the hyaluronic acid. I saw big difference when I was applying on dry skin and when I was applying with a toner. My skin looked more plump, more hydrated. Another thing about the toner is that I like more the combination between the rose water or the aloe vera toner with the hyaluronic acid. When I got this hyaluronic acid product, I was a little bit concerned because I don't like to apply oils on my skin throughout the day because that's how the consistency looks like. I was just thinking might leave me very shiny or might break me out or clog my pores. When I apply at first, I was like surprised because it is not oily, and I also noticed that my skin absorbed the product really fast. I'm not sure how to explain the smell of this product. I have no idea. I guess that's how hyaluronic acid smells. If you're thinking of using hyaluronic acid for dark spots or hyperpigmentation, the best will be using vitamin C for you guys instead of that one. When I get super dry skin, which is on winter, I will apply the hyaluronic acid in the morning and at night, and I felt a lot of relief. In the summer, I get super oily, acne prone skin. I will only apply hyaluronic acid in the morning in certain areas where I will get the most dry. For example, under the eyes, right here on the forehead, some areas like right here where you have creases. To be honest, on my forehead, it looks a little bit hydrated, but it's not as much as the under eye area. I just feel like the under eye area absorbs the product way better than on my forehead. And obviously, I'll never skip hyaluronic acid serum on my neck. These and under my eyes are the areas where I always apply no matter what. Thank you so much for watching. I was missing you guys. I hope you like and enjoy this review. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to be part of this organic family, and I'll see you on Monday. Pura Vida!